Students, we are studying life processes, and in our today's topic we will be studying nutrition in human beings. I think all of you have gone through the last lectures and made the concepts clear to you. Now today as we are going to start nutrition in human beings, first of all let us make this diagram clear. This is the diagram of human alimentary canal as it is given here also. So first of all, what is alimentary canal? Alimentary canal is a tube-like structure which is starting from the mouth and up to the anus. माउथ से स्टार्ट होकर के जो ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है और जो कहाँ कंप्लीट हो रहा है एनस तक, इस पूरे जो है ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर को हम क्या कहेंगे? एलिमेंट्री कैनाल कहेंगे। अब देखिए बेटा, क्योंकि हमारा टॉपिक है न्यूट्रिशन इन ह्यूमन बींग्स, तो सबसे पहले व्हाट इज़ नेसेसरी दैट वी शुड नो द ह्यूमन डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम, व्हाट आर द वेरियस पार्ट्स ऑफ द डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम or organs of the digestive system, and what are the various glands associated with it. So first of all, we will be reading the labeling of this diagram, as this is the alimentary canal and it is starting from the mouth. Other name for mouth or this opening, it is also known as buccal cavity. Then in the buccal cavity we have tongue and we have teeth also. Then there is a tube-like structure that is known as esophagus. The other name for esophagus is food pipe also. Now this food pipe, it is a tube-like structure, and now that forms a bag-like structure which is known as stomach. Then from the stomach, next again a tube-like structure which is highly coiled from the center, and this is small intestine which is highly coiled. Then we can say in a greater diameter one more tube is there, and that is known as large intestine. And this large intestine then later on it ends at the anus. So these are the parts of digestive system. Along with these parts, this digestive system of human beings also have some associated glands with it. अब glands क्या हैं? These are the organs which secretes special juices for the completion of any work. And here as we are talking about the digestive system, तो यहाँ पर जो glands हैं उनका क्या काम होगा कि they will secrete the juices, they will secrete the digestive juices which will help in enhancing the process of digestion. So there is a gland in the mouth. This is known as salivary gland. I will send another picture for the salivary glands. It is not given here. Then after salivary gland, you are able to see a brown colored structure which is labeled as liver. So first salivary gland is the gland, then second is liver, then another organ is also here, a gland is here, that is known as pancreas. So salivary glands, liver and pancreas, these are the three associated glands which helps in the process of digestion. And we will also study about the role of appendix. What is diaphragm? Diaphragm is the portion just below the rib cage, below the chest cavity. Chest cavity के नीचे जो portion होता है जो separate करता है chest cavity को abdominal cavity से, उसे हम बोलते हैं diaphragm. It is not the part of digestive system. It is shown just to show the separation of the two portions. Chest cavity को abdominal cavity से अलग करने के लिए it has been shown in the diagram. So we will study about the organs, about the structure and function of the organs in our next video.